Now we're gonna talk about how to write queries for array of embedded document. Let's say I have this use case, this one, and you can consider in this way. Let's say you are building an import shipment type application and your company delivers product to the customer. Customer gives order to your company and your company provides services to deliver products internationally. Let's say a customer want to import product from China to USA. Your company provides services. We can take this type of use case and your job, you gotta write this query to find all the settings for specific city. If you look at the model structure, I have a delivery countries doc. It's a collection where you will store all the settings related to specific city. Here is a Pakistan, here is a India, here is a UK, the name of the country, and the cities we are currently working. And here are the cities we are currently working in India. In UK, we are currently working in London only. But we also have our own riders that deliver product to the customer, right? We have a setting for each city. Let's say I don't want to work, let's say I would like to find all the settings for a specific city. Here, you gotta write the query to fetch the settings for London. How will you write that? Remember in the last video we have arrays. We had simple string array. Now we have array of objects. This array can have multiple objects just like here. We can have multiple cities. So how will you write the query? You use the dot notation, delivery cities dot find. Here you can say, if you want to do it by yourself, you can also do that. Find all settings for specific city, which is London right now. Cities. I need to query for this one cities dot name, so I can use the dot notation. Remember I told you in embedded document cities dot name, you gotta provide the name. Let's say London. I think my MongoDB is not running. I think MongoDB is running, but I did not connect. You can see that I got the settings for the London. If you want to add the multiple condition, let's say here's another query you need to write. Find settings of specific city with booking off. Here you need to add multiple conditions. How will you do that? I'm gonna copy that code. And we need to write filter on booking off and the name. So you can use the elemMatch operator to run multiple conditions. Cities.name should be London, and I can say cities.settings.booking off should be false. Let's say that. But we have booking true, it will not work. I'm gonna comment this code. Let's get it. Let's run the project. Unexpected token, what is missing? I think I have to use elemMatch in this way, like on cities. element match. Here I can write the name, should be London, and here I need to use the embedded document approach because setting is an object, so I want to write query for this one. Booking of should be true. So element match will work inside the property. Oops, cities. What is this? City not found. Cities is not defined. Let me look at. Cities now. Let's test it out. You can see that. But we booking off, we set the true. We wanna with booking off. Let's say if I get the false, we don't have the exact this record, this criteria record. So it's gonna give me the empty array. You can see that. So if you want to add the multiple condition while querying for embedded array of documents, then you need element match. Let's say I can add another condition with a rider block should be true or true and false. So it should be settings dot rider block. So the concept is if you need to write multiple query filter inside the array of embedded document, then you need element match operator. If you want to write the simple query, what is this? I think let's do it again. Settings is not defined. But we have a setting. Let's do in this way. Now it worked. I don't know what was the issue. So you can write multiple query filter in the element match.